from Jamaica. Hiya.
Oh, that one is a hotel.
Is it?
What's the name of it?
Put it up. Put it up there. Put it up there. Hold this.
What's the name of it?
It's,
Oh, push it on up.
Royal Park.
Ooh. Is that Royal Park? Beautiful. Nice. Nicey.
Where's something there where you're catching on your foot? What's the contract?
Tap your foot. Give me. Tap your foot. Tap it. Give me, baby. Tap it. Muscle contract. Muscle contract still exists. From 12 o'clock, we there parties 5 hours, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 hours. We never know it done. It should have done. So watch a pretty building there, foreign double. Watch that. Good foreign building. We never know the party that done to backside. Time really don't wait for nobody. After 5 o'clock, we wake up with my frightened self. From 5, you know. The fright, I work, man.
5 o'clock.
No, I'm not lying, I enjoy myself.
You try to make up artist.
When I get makeup artist at 6 o'clock. When we reach a Debbie said, you press this button. I know. I must have 9 times press the buzzer. Debbie said, Queenie, why do you wake up the baby? I said, shut them, man, the mother get miserable. Remember I said, I don't like to be late. 6 in the morning. Yeah, man, when I work. When I left all hospital, I work. Don't fuck with me now. Nobody now give me nothing, I'm not beg nobody no, because me cuss out them blood. It's true though, me cuss out them pussy clad, so maybe you go look my one, don't it? But couldn't work with nobody, you know. Yeah, man, me I cuss and get up, come out to the workplace and stay hungry. Hey, I'm so stupid. You saw me vex? I don't want nothing at all. I dash for everything. I dash for everything. I do business the world. I truth. I saw me stay. Yes, man. I always say my mother young, you know. When me young, you know, my mom did have her husband. Every time she didn't have anything, she throw out the money. I say, Mama, fully. Whoa, is that the shard?
Shard, yeah.
Oh my God, what's the shard? Jesus Christ. All who never got a shard is butt. Been there twice. Beautiful. Eh? Ma? Oh no, ma. Oh, yeah. Oh, feel it. Oh. You got it? You got it already? Bomba, you got it already, girl? All who never got a shot about Bomba Clad, the body hotel this, okay? I've been there twice. Camille, better boy, you rascal. You see hotel the girl? Mr. Camille spend out the whole of her money. I must run 1,500. I must run.
The man order and I order when I look in my plate and see how much money for this little bit of food. Mr. Where the Bomba clot this.
Mr. Camille spend out the whole of her blood clot money go and shot. I was smoking at the hotel and they don't get back our deposit.
Oh, they know you smoking it?
Then obviously, I look over the door and turn on the bathtub and say, them no get back our deposit. We have a blood clot. We go out with some pussy clot up there now. Yeah, man, enough money. Man, go back up there one night, man. Nice, you know, proper thing. And some real foreign shit when you got the shot. See there, look. All who not got the shot that bad. A 2-time Camille come on, 2-time. Big her up. But said that was so funny. When we're going, you see the lobster them nice. It's nice. No, you can't smoke in there. In where? A liar, we're smoking at that bomber class. I come in, smoke. Come in, a bomber, come here. Put up to your arms out. Better move, big up yourself. Anyway, stand up or sit down like a girl. That was a blast. 2 years straight, I think we're banned from Shard. Because the last year when we go back, them to no man. Remember the time when we went on the Lamborghini with the LiQWYD skirt? You remember that video there? I'm having the same Versace necklace, huh? Who want to buy that necklace, huh? Rich, you know? Yeah, man. I have a look of nice designer pieces, them. It's a foreigner. All who don't know a foreign look. Debbie here, I'm beautiful. A nice lady, man, my face. I'm not lie. I love all the people that book me for your boat ride and pay me the whole heap of millions. I really queen. No man, the boy rich. The boy say, oh, I want Queenie. Oh, no, it's a foreign there, England, foreign. This is in the city. Yeah, this is in the West End. Yeah, man, nice. Wouldn't mind me have a next party night. I cast my energy up like. When me hear the bomber hold them, I say, I pop down. I say, what you? So, true, me have an hairstyle and an eyelash and I make up my pop down. My spirit can never pop down. To God be the glory. Well, I'm number one wife. To God be the glory. Great things He has done. My personality, my perseverance, and my belief in life, I can never pop down from my life. All about Queenie, if you love yourself more, leave me a blood clot when I make me share my love. Share my love. Do we run away? But sharing is caring. The man married me. So I have to give him love, and take care of him. If he wanna run, if a man bomber clock run my business today, enough is enough. It's why we have enough. Fuck that. Wow! London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down. My fair lady, who remember that? Okay, well, crazy, this is London Bridge. Me say, the amount of people don't remember. Anybody for done anybody, I mean, for done my blood clot self with my dent up vice, jaw. Dimple plus accident in a one. But whatever, darling, whatever will be, will be. The future's not us to see. Me never know me I got have accident in the joy you see. Look at the beautiful London. Look. Just London, my dear. Stop call up my husband's name now. I don't even help me try forgot him. Every minute so just call him name. Just help me try forgot about him now. Bomber clot and I just throw the door. Tap straight in my face. Yesterday somebody come on the live and them say, Queen, I love you whether you have do your son. I so I forgot. The Queen stand firm. Long live Queen Lady Gangster. Many moons and mountains and I say, I'm still stand firm. The Queen reign. What I worry about? Leave me alone, I make me stand alone. Sometimes coffee, sometimes tea, and I get some nice moments with me and my husband, and then I get some bitter moments. And then I get some sweet moments. So just stop, throw. You know, say me and the man left. The man they left, and me the right. So what is still I worry about? Stop it and behave and look at yourself. Blessed love to all my true royal crazes. I appreciate you, Lord, to stand by me in the good, the bad, and the ugly. All when I run, you see, you no loyal and a royal, and stand by me no matter what. The little fake one them unfollow. And then you have someone who love me and they can't sit and allow to see me suffer in pain.
No, sorry.
But no pain, no
Just
gain.
iPhone.
Life is pain, 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 pain. You feel pain, me feel pain. We not go shop and buy pain. Thank you, driver. Wow, foreign. And I look on the foreign place. Foreign. Oh, this. The cool. So this is England foreign. I was in Jamaica foreign and they said I get deported. Then they said I was gonna bring drugs. Then what did they say again? Wally for something, but long live Queenie. Yeah, oh, Obia. So I'm gonna come up with a whole heap of drugs and a whole heap of Obia, but I'm still there road. Isn't I a great lady? For come through one drip load of drugs, me they telling them if report my dirty blood clot out of airport and they never report me. I don't make me come through with the drugs. I lose say me I carry drugs, me I carry Obia, but I still couldn't carry my husband. Hmm? Oh, unfortunately you are a queen. All this voodoo that they throw on you, they cloth you. You say, some people I look for me for cuss them back. I don't look. I just say, move on a dirty blood clot. It's not everybody I'm gonna answer. I know a woman she beat up her chest around 9 weeks so she cuss me. I know me not look for that. I just say, woman, but woman, leave me alone. It's not everybody. You never make my heart beat. You should have made my heart go boom, 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 and then would have cuss. But woman, you never rock my boat. Nah lie. Enough drunker drive makes me say sometimes I want to show them a pussy say. But true, my remember say I have real blue tick, move on the fake but thick blood clot. I mean get the last real blue tick. And the blue tick come out my way. I love Queenie still, I love Queenie fool and stupid and nice. Move on the fake thick blood clot. I mean last blue tick. Everybody blue tick that. It's true though. You see people that have 15 people are blue tick. From a Winston, me and I dance at Jamaica, me such a Roger, say Roger. That's my son I from the internet. You might go like him share my mama. You can't share me Roger. Where? Roger is Mr. Roger, I want this blue tick here, Miss Mommy, you get blue tick. Everybody else will get blue tick after me. Move on the fake thick blood clot. When you can't chat to me, I be a trend me set naturally. It's true though. Foreign! Man who can't take Uber, man. So you know, so them thief for England can. Some of them no. That's clear. Me I wonder if I drank this shit, but me I don't remember. Mm. But life goes on, I'm still good, I'm still in a good space. I'm busy. So the other car, what the husband buy with the bleaching cream money? Time you drink England and top that tour with that. No, man, not like Debbie here and beauty. No, only this time I pop down this. That's just a fucking scar. That's not a fucking. That's a dimple. That's a scar dimple. You understand? It's a fucking scar dimple. Don't get any pimple. Just get a dimple. Love Queenie either way, though. I'm not lie. Is it cold? Yes, it's cold. The little water had nice and disgraceful last week. We couldn't make another sound like disgrace and not to this blood clot criminated. Yes. And I for wonder what went wrong, went where, went how when I weren't showing you lots. Look at foreign. Look, foreign. Go foreign building. You know, on it, so on it, on it, on it. Say that's what DJ Stella draw this song. Me no remember the song, you know. I don't remember the song. Me just know so the husband trouble me. I just go studio 1 hour after go fuck up something. Say so him draw it. Yeah, me no go. And the song bad, you know, the song hard, you know, man. Blood clot. We need to play it tonight. I went on it, so on it. All the song go again. This is what me say. Oh, you married that you boy. Suck your crotch. Me a you know, me double tap. My pussy fat, so me want boy, the double tap. You come as girl power girl, boy, suck you back. Any boy when me, every boy when me suck them, suck me back. It's a blood. Hey, the girl that gonna call me over again. When we, what a sweet song. Move on a dirty blood clot to one girl for suck on a cocky. Put the balls in our nose and then put the penis in our ears. Brush your teeth with the penis. Use the penis for lipstick. Every boy when me suck them, suck me back. That means that for me husband in that do it. That's how me know my marriage done. You know? Me say, Sarah, look, sir, where you gonna pray meet now? Where you going to church? What them say them do? Adjourn the meet. You see Thump adjourn me. I see Song adjourn him. Everything just done. None can't come out and say, man. But say, no. So me get the jar, I him get the song. Cause any sister, nobody can see to the earth with it, but my earth cool off with it. But so when it, every boy will saw them something about that means them for us. What? Go find building. You know, like once you go and some pussy song. But me say, my friend share long time for truth. All talent no, only for people know. But me have one some pussy song, you know. But me never release it. But you know what they right when me part by the blue bomber pussy rascal. See I blue. Watch foreign building. More fair. You don't know them foreign. But here are woman now. And I'm a DM. Oh man do a plan. I want to look for something. And I'm like, so man do a plan my jaw too. You French it? The woman say man do a plan. And cost me off in my DM. I do all love. They said Jesus Christ got some of her. Yeah. She said, man do a plan. What will if I something she said? I don't even pay her no mind. And I'm like, them say a stunt. Stunt, you know. Stunt. Stunt in my fucking left jaw where the ring is on my left finger that I took off that the man fell in. Hmm? To the left, to the left. So punch alone, let me know. To the left, to the left, to the left. With the strokes and the couple jaw. You know, none of us, excuse me, pardon. No, I'm not lying, but I go up at Debbie, man, and go to back me here. I look good here. Debbie, you deserve a little tree base to that your style, no. You know, none of our dentists and get hungry kill me. Them give we food early. I would chat them from the boat chat. Them give we food early, man. Them give we food too soon, man. By the time it's crazy. You know, when you go to dentist and do, when them put, where's something where you put in their mouth at dentist? The cocaine or them put in there. I say, just stiff. Yeah. So, but my nice. I said, the amount of people are mad over by the boat chat, but so guys feed it. The people them love is just to be yourself. Them could have deal. It's to behind my back. Them chat with them friend and them family. You know what I'm saying? The way the people them love me upon the boat, me say then that one of them that chat me, them chat me with them family and friends and loved ones behind my back. I say them to me that really have them awful of blood clots me. Me infest the nation on the addicted. on the addicted to me. No, me talk about the liquor subscription out of me. I say, I look good for the boat, you see. Why? And I'm a 3,000 pound Versace necklace. Now I'm right. When I see some Bombah hole, I chat, I say, watch them idiot. I don't know much this. It's a years in a loan of around 700 pounds. And this a necklace alone, I for around £2,000. I have my receipt for my clothes, my something. When I'm hungry and broke, I just what is something name of them do? eBay, action them. You know how much money I can get for this? Or how much I pay for it? Well, it costs, I think it was 2,800. I don't even know, I don't want to lie, you know. But you see them, it may have in a double tap video, you know, I say, some pussy clean, some pussy fat, we may have on the grey bath suit. This necklace, and see the ring here. Versace. I have some wicked designer pieces. I can't let from me, just action them blood clot. I say, come, quick and fast, seal out. Real deal, no China bitch on here. Proper thing. Real Versace. Yeah, man, it's nice. I have some wicked Versace, Roberta Cavalli, DMG, Gucci. That's some nice jewelry. But all age drape me, box me, and kick me like Bruce Lee. So sometimes I just can't be bothered with this holy person. We see them a customer about all shoes. When I blood clad clothes and vintage like me. Handbag. I was showing them a handbag, England handbag collection in one day. Beer designer handbag, beer designer shoe, beer designer belt. But material things come and go. So when I now bash my about clothes, I'm like, really? Hello? Somebody, menopause, old age, husband pass. So the blood clot material clothes them pass too. You understand me? Am I not allowed to have that curvy look, that breakdown look, that oh, I don't want no earring, I don't want no ring, I don't want no hairstyle, I don't want no fucking lashes, I don't want no fucking rouge, I don't want no mascara. Am I not fucking allowed to have a rough Jamaica hard life there? If you just come with the top class celebrity, I'm a fucking get a top celebrity. You have to take the bitter with the sweet. Driver, where you come from? Driver, where you from?
Oh, me?
Yeah.
Oman.
Where?
Oman, Middle East.
Middle East.
Yeah, Oman.
Oman. Is that a country?
Yeah.
It's the first time hearing that. Middle East.
Next to Dubai.
Oh, it's next to Dubai. I'd like to travel all them countries. I want to go 110 countries. Yeah, true. I'm a dream. You think me a siesta? More I go Bahamas, more I go Trinidad, more I go St. Martin, more I go St. Lucia. Buy a ticket to Barbados. I fall in love, I go Barbados. I just want to do many stuff, you know? Watch foreign people. That's foreign, my dear. You understand me? England foreign. When they me there, Jamaica foreign, and I say me get dip. I so rich Canada man. I soon come to Canada with one binocle come look for do it, sir. Do it! I see you do it, I spy do it. Oh, do it. Do me see but I can't touch you. Do it. Oh God. I spy. I can see do it, but I can't.
Oh, wow, really?
I'm an artist, you know, I do music.
Really?
Yes, and I win Couples Festival and the girl them love me.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Are so much people watch me? Oh, hello. Mr. Canadian Embassy. I can't go to Canada to find my husband doing. Can you invite me because of the Queen? Mr. Move on a dirty blood clot. Anything I'm want to say. Go ahead. And then I'm in a program. You know them people are rude? Some people send some drastic real DM and me no want to buy no ticket and gamble no house money for me. It's rude. You understand? Please, I'm begging you a lot. Life comes with so much expectation that we don't expect. I thought my wedding would have lost for 9 years because 3 is my lucky number and 3 3 is 9. Now, my wedding and my partner, husband, only lost for 3 years. So I have to brush my bum off and bounce and let my bumper roll. Because nothing lasts forever. When I was getting engaged to my husband, I said if it lasts for one day, I will appreciate the fact that I got married. So now the marriage becomes a hill and gully ride and it slide down the gully. All I can do and said, remember that I was married. Other than that, the greatest thing is life. What does not cost any life, do not cost any. No royal crazies. Just get over Queenie and Dewey. And know that we're part by the deep blue sea. So we're parted, is apart, and I am apart. We're living separate lives. Just enjoy the queen for who she is and enjoy the king for who he is. We gave you a nice segment of 3 years of our life. Lots of you did not appreciate it. Lots of you did. There was a time when we have a loving, nice, joyful husband and wife, playful times. And there was time when we got bitter goals. And there was time when we have stinking times like stinking toe. And then we have sweet times when it coming like so what's up. And my pussy clit was going then comes the accident of our ex. Accident do happen. Nobody in this entire world wants to get in any accident. But accident is accident. So when the accident fall, you have to just have an accent. Instead, pregnant, the queen is here. But take a look at something a drink for the board. I don't know why I'm book me tonight. I got my face makeup now. But I do 2 shades I want right now because my energy up like heaven. I want over a chat. I'm not chatting, yes. Chat me, I'm chat up back on a dirty blood clot. I want me chatting on the... You know, I don't understand the people. I'm on internet. 96 somebody had done me about my life when I come tell them. I whisper like one. Can you keep a secret? I whisper and keep secret and come telling them, say, my life is distress. And then on a crawl upon the belly like one caterpillar. Going on the glass buckle. Like a cellophane tape. And have everybody are watching it. And I repeat, when you come over here, come tell them and I cuss my part up with that. Oh, no, make no blood clot then. Me never asked clot get caught on tape. Unfortunately, I came out on my television. And I said, this is it. As Michael Jackson said when he was coming to England, this is it, and he didn't escape. So in case I died tomorrow or the next second, remember, I came and I shared my messy, messy marriage. You lot didn't appreciate my hair that it was messy, but you appreciate my messy marriage. Because you want to take my name to backyard. She said Queen is a disgrace, but guess what? Queenie motivate you. Queenie elevate you. Queenie is an inspiration. Queenie come with all blood clot salt. So Queenie, long live you, Queenie. You don't have to talk about the blood clot, Queenie. See me I talk about no. Every blood clot there, my husband me talk about. But busy more than my class on a dusty blood clot. You see me get up and use an honor for talk it. Talk it. That means you are not fucking relevant. But we can't make Queenie relevant. We don't have to stay upon the vent. Nice for that line. What's blending one daughter? So one wants to know. The lady is so confused. Confused like your pussy talk where your man take for sing seesaw. So seesaw, your pussy tongue confused and your man have a seesaw. So seesaw. Your pussy tongue confused. Move your big pussy dirty blood clot. But just go for one book and work and get 1,100 pounds. On a Google that blood clot UK pound. 1,100 pounds. I receive to go up on the boat try to chat to blood clot me. Your pussy tongue confused. Move your dirty blood clot me. I live life. At the same time, I enjoy life and I perform for my pussy power girl who appreciate me. You have to pay for see the blood clot queen. And I think me a common blood clot for my popular. Not blood clot, come on. If you don't call my phone if money ain't in it. Don't have a nice car, top girl in it. Ray, me don't know what me drink, but me feel like it. Like it's in it. Me feel like it's in it. Me just go work for exclusive boat in it. They pay me 1,100 UK in it. Now call me Bombah pussy blood clot phone if money don't in it. Move on a dirty blood clot. The queen relevant. The queen is in demand. The queen is important. Don't use my marriage life and watch my talent. Jackass. Hee haw, hee haw, hee haw. Do not use my marriage life and judge my quality. I'm a talent. All when the man married pan blood clot, me 100 blood clot time. And me are the one wife. Yes. Any blood clot thing come after the queen of China. I eat blood clot me like how Saddam Hussein ate America. We're going to get food though. But not in the car. We gotta go get a car. It's not me. Okay. But we're gonna get the car and go after a man drop, we're gonna get you your car, yeah? When I forgot to make that talk, so we do. You know, I don't want to root you. Riddle me diddle riddle me that. Guess me the spirit, this riddle and perhaps not. Queenie and do we left or not? You want me to understand or answer that? Yes! The fee part of the blue sea. You think I eat that? God know where my do. No, hey, I know me sweet your fuck. You see now, God make me appreciate myself more. I said, blood clot, look how your face is smooth and nice. I know it have accident dimple. All who don't have accident dimple is ah, ah. What's the man for said that Saudi Arabia? And where did him come from again? Saudi. What was the country?
Oh, me?
Yeah.
Oman.
No.
Oman.
Oh, it's near Dubai, you said. No, not Saudi. Saudi. I can't even pronounce it. Hey man, you're last. Go straight. Am I here? There go. Yeah, go straight. Yes, please. It's easier this way.
Sure.
Thank you. Well, hungry, I kill them. Look, though. Hungry, wow! Them give food hurl upon the boat. You know me that 6 seconds? But you have a lipstick. You have to talk like me for the hungry girl. Talking full my belly, you know. You're frog. Alright, who I know my friend, I believe. Look. That's the big red bus. Gwen don't have no upstairs bus at Jamaica. Gwen in a big yellow bus. Jamaica. Gwen in a downstairs one deck box. See red bus. Say look. Bumbo look. Look. Ha ha. Ha ha. Jamaica don't have the red bus. Jamaica don't have the big red bus. Jamaica have the big red. Ha. Jamaica don't have the big red bus. Jamaica don't have the big red bus. Jamaica don't have the big upstairs bus. Oh no, about something. Now come back to Jamaica. Move on the dirty blood clot like a Jamaica. No, me not lie. They look for a crap me drink by the boat, make me feel nice. Sorry. Poor you are rich me. Girl, you know much poor you are rich me. May I live my life, girl. I will I River Thames we drive out a while ago for 5 hours. That's rich. I get paid for that. So I'm not fucking poor. Even though I get half my money from my dad. I not lie. But like my professional, you know what? Look forward to the liquor party them or something. Go out and get my liquor honest money. What are you talking about here? Oh, Victoria Park. No, Finsbury Park. This baby on a Victoria Park. That look. We're in Finsbury. But my sis, I realize that when you take Uber, my love, you're under jurisdiction. So you cannot ask them to stop off McDonald's and you cannot ask them to stop and go back for your shoes and your handbag. So this morning, the way I'm frightened, I wake up 5 o'clock and get ready from 10 o'clock. Frightened and excited over a boat ride. I want to left my shoes. I want my shoes. I want to left them again. When I left my shoes and my handbag, 2 minutes for drive, I'm tell the Uber man. When I see foreign ambulance and foreign train, anyway, so I said to the Uber man, said, driver, turn back, please. Just not even 2 minutes away, you know. The man say, I'm for cancer. But you look so good and feel so sophisticated. Eh? Who in that traffic? Oh, oh. Yeah, because I felt sophisticated. Indeed, I looked sophisticated, and I am sophisticated. I held to my count. Look at these foreign fruits. If I don't have any foreign visa, borrow my husband England visa, because he does not know the use of it. Tell him, same wife said, like I don't want the England visa, when I put so much work in for him to get, he must give it to Uno. Anyone on first got to do it, I said, do it, watch him foreign car. Hey man, hello. Jesus Christ, one black man, you know. Let's say the man book car nice here. Yeah. Anybody want to come to this England foreign where the Queen is? Send to my husband over Canada and tell my husband, say, him don't know the use of the visa I'm give him for England. So, immigration do it. Tell my husband, say, forgive under the visa and then I'll come look for me. That's all. No, I'm not like nothing. I keep tonight. But can't go home so early. Someone should take me on a dinner date, you know. Anyone want to date me now? Let's go for dinner. I'm free single and this engaged, you know. Remember that? Not a joke. Yeah. Remember all purpose and I live different style. Foreign again. Foreign. Foreign. This is not coronation market, but everything is out here. That's what happened in foreign. Okay? Right. Crazy. I don't want to cut my hungriness for now. You can't tell me what my husband want. I could have blood clot deal. All of them shit in my blood clot mouth. Me and him murder my signature upon it. Move on a dirty blood clot. You think me now I go mad me more than I do it mad me. Make do it mad blood clot me. None of no nah mad me coming in my toe now. Move on a big pussy long shaky cheesy cocky blood clot. If it's a man or a blood clot, woman leave me, I'm terrified myself. I went him terrified. It's my husband, I'm going to call him name. Any blood clot time, all of them not like it. Do it. Sikaram, big up yourself and it's right there in a prison. You did tell me. Say, auntie with him vibe, with your voice. Do it. Move on a dirty blood clot. I'm not supposed to shame like blood clot, dog. See, like how Sikaram couldn't stop me from singing the song. I said, you can't stop me from said husband. And when name come off the paper and it becomes divorce, I would say all who don't divorce is bad. Why? All who don't divorce are bad to blood clot. Me enjoy any role, all role, many roles. Because I am the fucking queen. And you have to accept life for every little thing. You understand me? So if I ever call my husband name 100 blood clot, I'm going to do it. Do it to the God can do it. But I still can't blood clot get him right. So I could have deal or I could have blood clot deal. The fee part of it. Won't that tell me, sit down. Talk to me right now. Do it, huh? That's still not making me. Do it, should have left because you're bad to me. Hey! Hello, darling. When I could have talked till that blood clot kingdom come, the queen is, and he have no fucking life even. Did you pay the taxi monies? I'm look for a foreign again. Foreign. This is my foreign. Move on a dirty blood clot. No one dictate to the fucking queen. It's rude. It's fucking rude. On a blood clot, cow shit and donkey shit and ras clot, ack shit on a blood clot, mount and there, I take out little pigeon shit. Leave me, my name pigeon shit. And go and get the concubine shit out your fucking mouth, man. Scumpy lumpy. Lumpa dumpo. Scumpy lumps. Design a body. Teach them design up. Anyway, we're all crazy. Hungry, I kill man. Go on now, no, man. Blessed love. You like how doing I want me? Me like how I want me to. It's sweet me a fuck. I know you alone it's sweet. It's sweet me too. I'm like how me no want him to. Without you, there's no us the way it takes two. Everyone me got them to do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Who said that? A legend. They're one of the greatest old blood clot for Pangado right now. Uno could have cough, uno could have bark, uno could have walk, uno could have talk, uno have to near my pussy juice. Lick out my body, suck out my nose and take on the tongue and lick out the bit of something out of my ears. On a class, I got views on our blood clot look after my name. Uno not see me put my business on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram when I have blue tick. Vent. Let out your steam and move on. Move on a dirty blood clot. When I have to suck out my dirty blood clot like vampire. But I've got the holy water. And I just sprinkle the holy water. To God be the glory, great things he has done. The Lord is my light and my salvation. How Queenie is sweet. Am I drunk? I think so. I'm not drunk, I'm just nice. I drink a little stupid something on the boat. I'm feel it. Ready are you a cup of something I'm drink? I know long but then I drink it. I'm see it. I just glops it up. Glop. What we are gonna eat now? Today I was Saturday. I should have two boat party. But I pull up my face and my mouth, you know. Alright, crazy. So no go on now, no man. Later, man. Later. Later, crazy. Okay? Bye now. Bye now. Later. Coming on our road to no more, yeah? Bye. Like we said, I'm praying before we go, because the whole I need, God. The Lord is my light and my salvation. Who shall I fear? The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh us to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth us beside the still water. He restoreth our soul. He leadeth us in the path of righteousness. For his name's sake, hey, though we walk through the valley of the shadow of death, We shall fear. Don't laugh, friendship here. Prayer. We shall fear no evil, for our thoughts with us. It's not laughing time, girl. Thy word and thy staff, they comfort us. Thou prepares a table before and ever. Amen. Peace be with you all. Blessed love from the Queen. Say yes, cow bless. My Gladys to God up like heaven. Later.